Okay, now let's look at this question number 2. Now find the area of A, B, C. Okay, now A, B, C is actually, if you rotate it this way, okay, you can see that this is C, this is B, this is A. Okay, so A, C, you calculate the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so AC length is actually equal to 5. Okay, which is the base of triangle ABC. Now, what you have to find is this vertical height, which is the height of the triangle ABC with the base of AC. So to find this height, basically is this length is from here all the way until here. This is the height. Okay, so this is the height. If you count the number of boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is 6. So actually this is 6. Height is 6. Base is 5. So if you want the area of triangle, is actually equal to half time base time height. We give you a value half time. Base, which is 5, times the height, which is 6. Cancel 3, they give you 15. Square unit. Okay, now find the coordinate area such that ABCP is a parallelogram. I mean, basically, if A, you must look at the order A, B, C, P. So you follow the order A, B, C, P. Okay, this should be P somewhere here. Okay, now how do you find the coordinate of P? How do you draw this line? This line is supposed to be parallel with this and also equal in length. So if you go by the number of boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then vertically from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can get this point. Okay. So if you talk about this, then P, the coordinate of P would be equal to, or that's 10. For X is 10. Then for Y is 9. Okay. So find the area of parallelogram. It's very simple because ABCD and APC, they are equal in area. So you want the area of the parallelogram is basically taking this, the area of ABC times 2. 2 times 15 give you 30 unit, a square unit. Okay, square unit. Now, to find the coordinate of P, there is another way of doing. Okay, how do you do it? This is using the diagonal. Okay, which for a parallelogram they are bisector of each other. That means if I draw this line, okay, let's change the color slightly. Oh, let's change it to this color. Okay, now it's from here. Okay, so this is the diagonal. There's two diagonal AC and BP. They dissect each other. Now, how do you go about doing it? It's very simple. First, remember this diagonal and diagonal BP will bisect diagonal AC. Okay, now to start off, you must pick the 2 points that is given with the coordinate, which is AC. So we can find this point here, the point where the two diagonal intersect. Okay, why? Because the diagonal, this point is the midpoint of AC. So let's call this point as M. So the coordinate of M should be the x value of this and this, A and C. Okay, A and C, you add A and C together. The x coordinate is 4 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, now let's take the y coordinate of A and C, which is 4, and then plus minus 1 over 2. Okay, that will give you the coordinate of 4 and 3, so this is 1.5. Okay, so the coordinate here is 4 and 1.5. 4 and 1.5. Now, but it also this point here also is the midpoint between B and P. Okay, in other words, M is also the midpoint of B and P. Okay, now we already know uh, the coordinate of M. We already know the coordinate of P. Let's say we do not know the coordinate of P and Q. We put it x, y. Okay, therefore M is we put it as 4 and 1.5. Okay, that's M, which we found. But then M is also equal to the midpoint of B and P. So we take the x coordinate of B, which is minus 2, plus x, the x coordinate of P, over 2. This x must equal to 4. Okay, similarly, we take the coordinate of y coordinate of B, which is minus 6, plus the coordinate of P, which is y, divided by 2. So this must be equal to this. You see there is one unknown x. If you make this equal to this, you should be able to find out. And then you take this equal to this, you're able to find y. Okay? Okay? Let's play this first. Okay? Now, this M is obtain a midpoint. Put a better visibility between A and C. Okay? This one is midpoint between B and P. Okay, so from here you form two equations. 4 equal to minus 2. This x, this is x, so they must equal to x over 2. Bring over, become 8 minus 2 plus x. Therefore x equal to, bring over plus, so become 10. Okay, so let's check. Yes, x is 10. Okay, now similarly you take the y, so it's half. This half here, this is minus 6 plus y equal to half. You cancel the y. Now bring it over here, 6 equal to y. Okay, so wait, there's something wrong here. Okay, so this is 3 over 2. This 1.5 is 3 over 2. This 2. Cancel. Bring this over here. 3 plus 6. Y equal to 9. Okay, so this is same as the one that we calculate using the boxes. Okay, so that's it. You either count the boxes or you use the midpoint between the two opposite